Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, sun moonroof, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, power passenger seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.